Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, tap on Settings icon. Now scroll down, tap on See More in Account Center. Now tap on Your Information and Permissions. Now tap on Download Your Information. Now tap on Download or Transfer Information. Now select your profile. Tap on Next. Tap on Types of Information. Now select Message. Tap on Next. Tap on Download to device. Select Date range. You can select a specific date or opt for all time. Now save it. Now enter your email address here. Okay. Now select HTML format. Select media quality. Select high quality. Now tap on Create Files. Once you're done, now you have to wait for some time. This process takes 3 to 4 hours depending on the size of your data. Once the process is complete, your file will be created. Thank you.